Hello everybody, welcome to the next video. So we have been sent some shoes from FitVille and they offered us what we wanted. So we went for hiking shoes.
Walking, hiking.
So we're going to unbox them on video and show you what we've got. So Stephen's going to do his first.
Can't see.
Turn it around.
I'm opening it.
So this is what he's gone for. They're like walking boots.
Walking, hiking boots.
You like them?
Yeah.
Look cool, don't they?
They look alright, yeah. I'll be glad to get some miles on them, see how they go, because obviously I've got my expensive walking boots to compare to.
That and I'm starting to deteriorate.
Yeah, they're showing their age now. Do you want to see what Susie's got? I'll do it.
You do my shoes.
I do this way. Oh, there's no shoes in here. There's like little thimbles.
Those are my shoes. So I just went for normal walking shoes.
I'm showing the green.
I do like the grey and the orange. It looks cool.
Alright then. I don't know where the rest of them are.
So we're going to put them on and go for a walk and tell you a little bit about them. Yeah?
Yeah, can do, yeah.
So we're just out walking in our FitVille shoes. Just need to say a few things about them. They aid people to not get knee problems and sprained ankles, and they have an extra wide fitting which is helpful for people with wide feet. So we are walking down to Keswick, which is about 1.5 miles, and then we're going to walk back again and around Keswick, so we're probably going to do about 4 miles today. So they're brand new out of the box today, as you saw.
Pack it fresh.
Pack it fresh. And we'll let you know how our feet have fared by the end of the day.
Take 396 and a half. Try again.
Too many cars.
Right. Excuse the cars. We're walking on slushy, icy, snowy pavements. I'll show you now. I'll spin you around. There you go. And the grip's alright, isn't it?
Yeah, it's not bad. I've not fallen on my bum yet, so that's a bonus.